Lootbar.gg review. Scam or legit site? I'm going to tell you if lootbar.gg is a legit site or a potential scam. Lootbar.gg is an online platform where you can buy in-game currencies, items, and top-ups for games like Genshin Impact, Mobile Legends, and more. On the surface, it looks trustworthy, with a clean site, SSL security, and payment options like PayPal. Sites like Scam Advisor actually rate lootbar.gg with a high trust score, pointing out the site's age and solid web traffic. But here's where it gets tricky. Trustpilot reviews are mostly positive, but many users say that they were asked to leave 5-star reviews in exchange for points, so the feedback might not be totally organic. On Reddit, some players said they received their purchases fast and without issues, but others claimed their orders never arrived, and support became unresponsive. In some cases, users lost real money and didn't get refunds. So, is it a scam? Not exactly. But is it 100% safe? Also no. If you use it, do small test orders first, and always use protected payment methods like PayPal just in case.